Hello, I'm Mac. Today I bring this HUAYEE machine. Also I bring the many attachment. This ripper rig, also two types of bucket, the same bucket, also 32-inch bucket, also auger. So let's see the attachment working with this machine, how can performance. Also Briggs hammer today I not take that, but I will show the auger. How can working for your yard. Also this machine is really like a pocket rocket because this weight only 37 inch. You can go anywhere, or you can go go the inside the building or some room inside. This America brand engine. This Briggs Stratton XR2100. This 2100. This model. This use many equipment or motorcycle or many machine use this this type of engine. So if you want a service, maintenance will be easily. Also part available anywhere. So this engine powerful, also easily to maintenance. HUAYEE we use the half quick hitch. We can easily to change attachment. Let's see how can easily to change attachment. We also have toolbox. Anyone buy the machine will give the gift like the toolbox. We can easily to change the attachment. We have the safety lock. If you touch, maybe get a problem. So we have the safety lock when push. Now we are changing it down. It's easily, very simple. So anyone can change. This 200mm bucket is 8-inch. This one easily to make you support, make the water ditch or this working like the trencher. Not touch more land, but easily control to make the water pipe line or support you anytime. Also they have the two teeth, so they can work in anywhere. So let's see this bucket its performance. I changed the 8-inch bucket. Also is rake also rip also easily to change. But you be careful. We need to lock. Done. Now is rip already changed. So open also easily. Also, this 32-inch 800mm bucket also same to the same portion. This machine, one people easily to control. If you think this heavy, we can use the boom to fit in. We can use the bucket if some heavy, or we can use the hand. This one people can easily to control this. This is 32-inch bucket, 800mm. This is without tools, but this support to make the road or some to the easily not heavy with the item to load. Let's see this performance. Now I change the rig. Before fitting the rig, we need to lock here. Safety lock is unlock. After we can fitting this rig. Now it's done. We are opening it easily. Just by hand, carefully to open that. This rig, you see the performance is perfect. When you clean your backyard, it will give you full support. This also have your hand, like have the 5-piece teeth. They will be easily to hold the trash, also some tree or some wood. When you receive this auger, this two part. So the motor side and the auger side will open by one bolt connect. So now I already connect. So let's fit into machine. This auger have the two hydraulic pipe. This hydraulic pipe we use the hydraulic thumb pipe. So when you use the auger, you will be not use the hydraulic thumb because it cannot lack cooperation. This excavator, its main pressure is 17.5 MPa. So we have the powerful. The auger can auger for the deeply. So we connect the pipe. After your work finish, we need to fit him back because maybe trash inside. Also here, also have the protect cover. Also, this I have one cover. Also have the washer. First time we just fitting, not tight. This pipe we just fitting this side, not tight. After this side we fitting 3-way valve, so we first open the cover. But after you working finish, you need fitting back this cover. Be careful, have pressure. So after we open, they have one lock, will be like this. Let's see this pipe is working like properly after tight, because maybe some touch, so we some adjust after tight. Also this side tight. After pipe finish, we need a switch this all change this switch. So this side, this left side to the B. All pipe have product, so we not sure that. After work finish, we need to take it back. Two sides is the same, no, just the fitting, not too tight. So be careful, have pressure, sometimes have pressure. Just to see this pipe not get touched after we tight. Remember, this side is B to A, the right side. So this now is auger can work. So let's see the performance. Let's see this auger is performance. make this hole only around 30 seconds. We can easily for the homework make the tree. You see this inside the many snow. This easily work to the yard. Also, the springtime you can easily to make the new tree. This around 30 seconds can easily make the hole. They will support you land work or backyard work. You see, this inside is hard. Also, you can easily to make the tree. This 14C, this one people can easily hold to maintenance. Now I show you how can change the hydraulic oil and hydraulic oil filter. This hydraulic oil use 46 this hydraulic oil. This is international standard hydraulic oil. Here's the hydraulic oil level. When we put the boom down, the is up to 1 to 6 is okay. So here writing 46 hydraulic oil. So we take the flow. After use 13 socket. Now we can easily to take this cover out. After we can see here is hydraulic oil tank. This system is easily. This cups for hydraulic oil filling. We have the filter because when we fill in maybe some trash, so we product a new hydraulic. After we want to change the hydraulic oil and hydraulic oil filter, we should open this side. So I will open. This is number 12, totally 6 pieces. We can use the ring. They have some, because this washer is some tight, so this part have one filter. This when you fill in, they will be give the like clean. So after we open, we can see the hydraulic oil. Here is the suction filter. So also inside we have the retain filter. Inside have two air filter. Can you see? So after we complete the change, where it drain, this is important. So here is downside for the hydraulic oil drain. This Allen key. This inside have two-piece hydraulic oil filter. It's a retain filter and a suction filter. So this is made in by HUAYEE. So when you need the hydraulic filter, please call us, connect us. When we take this pro, you can also see this excavator inside. This is also very simple. Also, they have give the enough space to maintenance. So let's here is the swing motor for the machine upside for swing. So they have the overflow pipe. This two pipe just for left right swing. This swivel. So this for the machine swing time, for the traveling pipe not get a problem. So upside is downside is holder, upside is turning. So also have overflow pipe. This four pipe for the traveling motor. So here is a relay for the when the key on. This for the main relay for this battery. So here is a hydraulic cooler. Before this cooler in the back side, but this sometimes give the temperature to the engine. So we move to here. Also make the cover like the window, so they will make the hydraulic system not get warm, get the perfect temperature. So we move to here. Here is hydraulic oil tank. This is very simple. When you see here, you can see this Briggs Stratton engine. This engine serial number you can see here. This America brand. This engine is America brand engine. So they use to the many machine. In the America, it's easily to maintenance or easily to get the part. So this international engine. But when we fitting our machine, we make the cylinder cover because sometimes they get the heat. So we make the one cover just specially. Also this air filter just depend on your environment. But if environment not good, we need all time to clean or change. Because this engine, this air filter like our nose. If you get the dirty, the engine will get a problem. So always keep this air filter to clean. When you want to change this air filter, I think normally like 100 hours change the air filter is okay. Please, when you need this new air filter, you can buy from Briggs Stratton, or you connect to us. Take the original air filter. When you get this machine, if you get you want to know the details, or you want the manual book, you want how can maintenance this machine, you can leave the message or you connect to me on Mac. So please subscribe to us. Please follow into us.